afternoon, students. Today we will study the Cori cycle after doing the glycolysis and TCA cycle in carbohydrates metabolism. This is also one of the metabolism for carbohydrates. What happens in glycolysis is the end product is pyruvate. In glycolysis we got the pyruvate as the end product, which gets converted to lactate in the presence of an enzyme lactate dehydrogenase when there is deficiency of oxygen, right? So now what happens is when this lactate formation occurs in muscles, these muscles are incapable to synthesize the glycogen. So what they will do, they will first convert the glycogen into the lactate. This lactate gets transported to the liver through the blood. Blood is the medium for the transportation of lactate from the muscles to the liver. ठीक है? तो ब्लड के थ्रू जो है ये जो लैक्टेट बना है, ये ब्लड के थ्रू कहाँ जाएगा? सबसे पहले लिवर में जाएगा. लिवर क्या करेगा? इस लैक्टेट को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देगा, ग्लूकोज एंड ग्लाइकोजन, विच इज कॉल्ड एज ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस. जेनेसिस मीन्स सिंथेसिस, नियो मीन्स नया. नया ग्लूकोज सिंथेसाइज होगा from the lactate. So the synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate sources like lactate, glycerol, amino acids, that is called as gluconeogenesis. Now we have got the glucose and the glycogen. This glycogen which we require for energy is stored in the liver. Rest of the glycogen which will be converted to glucose after hydrolysis will give you the energy. In the blood it is converted into glucose after hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of glycogen in the blood gives you glucose. Glucose gives you energy. The rest of the glucose is again transported to muscles and stored there in the form of glycogen. This glycogen under anaerobic glycolysis gets converted into lactate again, and this cycle keeps on repeating and repeating, and for the whole day you get the energy. You take the food, glycogen is stored in your muscles, blood, liver, and then it is converted into glucose, then you get the energy, and in the evening you get tired, then again this cycle repeats itself like this. So this is called Cori cycle for metabolism of carbohydrates and giving you the energy. Thank you.